Computers were once so big, they filled entire rooms. But today, a tiny chip inside your phone is more powerful than those machines. How did this happen? Let's explore the evolution of CPU. Have you ever wondered how CPUs became so powerful, from slow machines to fast processors? This journey is very interesting. In this video, we will explain the evolution of CPU in the simplest way possible. Before we start, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer, performs all calculations and runs programs. First-generation computers. Let's go back to the 1940s. Computers were very large, very slow, and very expensive. They used vacuum tubes instead of modern chips. One computer filled an entire room, and they could do less work than a smartphone today. Transistors era, then came a big change. Transistors, they replaced vacuum tubes. Result, computers became smaller, faster, and produced less heat. This was the first step toward modern CPUs. Integrated circuits, next came integrated circuits. Many transistors were placed on a single chip. Now computers became more powerful, more compact, and more reliable. First microprocessor, in 1971. Something important happened. The first CPU on a single chip was created. This was the Intel 4004. It was small, simple, but revolutionary. This is where modern CPUs started, faster CPUs and personal computers. After that, CPUs improved quickly, computers became faster, cheaper, and available for normal people. Now people could use personal computers at home. Multi-core CPUs. Earlier CPUs had only one core. Now we have dual-core, quad-core, and even more cores. More cores mean better multitasking. Now your system can run apps, play games, and browse the internet at the same time. Modern CPUs. Today's CPUs are extremely powerful. They can handle heavy games, video editing, and artificial intelligence, and they are smaller than your fingernail. Why CPUs became faster? Main reasons include smaller transistors, better technology, more cores, and higher speed. This is called technological advancement. Think of CPU evolution like cars. Old CPUs were like slow old cars. Modern CPUs are like fast sports cars. Same purpose, but huge difference in speed. Quick recap: CPUs started as huge machines. Transistors made them smaller. Integrated circuits increased power. Microprocessors changed everything. Modern CPUs are fast and powerful. Now you understand how CPUs evolved from room-sized machines to powerful tiny chips. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byte Board, and tell me in the comments which CPU you are using right now.